Here we have 4 different matrices, and we are told to perform the indicated operations. And we're going to learn how to add, subtract these matrices. But before we start, I want to explain some important things about matrices. So first of all, they have columns and they have rows. Which are which? Well, I like to have the picture in my mind of the ancient Greece buildings, right, with the tall, strong columns. And those look like this, right? Tall vertical columns. And so these are the columns. What about the rows? Well, the rows are these horizontal numbers. So this is columns, these are rows. All right, that's what I like to have in my mind. So over here we've got C plus D. Now, one very important thing with matrices is that you cannot add 2 matrices that aren't of the same dimension. Okay? What do I mean by that? Well, how many numbers are there per column? 1, 2. What about per row? 1, 2. So over here we've got a 2 by 2 matrix. C is a 2 by 2 matrix. What about D? Well, the same thing for D. 1, 2, 1, 2. We've got a 2 by 2 matrix. All right? We've got a 2 by 2 matrix. And because they are of the same dimensions, we can add them. All right? So let's go ahead and add them. C. 2, 6, -1, -3. Plus D. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now, adding matrices is pretty intuitive. We just line up the numbers and go ahead and add them. So what's 2 plus 1? That's going to be 3. 6 plus 2, 8. -1 plus 3 is going to be 2. -3 plus 6 is going to be 3. And that right there is our answer to C plus D. All right? We give a matrix, and that is the answer. What about C plus B? Those are not the same, and therefore this cannot happen. And so this right over here is undefined. All right? Cannot happen. Now let's go to some subtraction. What is D minus C? Same concept as addition. To subtract matrices, both matrices must be of the same dimension. So over here, D is 1, 2, 1, 2. And so we have a 2 by 2 matrix. C is 1, 2, 1, 2. And so we have matrices of the same dimension. Now let's subtract them. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 6. And just like addition, subtracting matrices is very intuitive. We just line up the numbers and we go ahead and subtract. So it's 1 minus 2, -1, 2 minus 6, -4, 3 minus -1, +4, 6 minus -3, +9. And that right there is the answer to D minus C. What about D minus A? Well, we know that this is a 2 by 2 dimension. D is a 2 by 2. And A, those are not the same, and therefore this cannot happen. This is undefined. They must be of the same dimension. And as always, stay positive.